I welcome you all in my YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about hyperemesis gravidarum. Hyperemesis gravidarum का मतलब क्या है? Hyper means increase, emesis मतलब vomiting, gravidarum का मतलब है pregnancy. That means increased vomiting during pregnancy. So nausea and vomiting, it is a silent symptom of pregnancy. If the vomiting it leads to deleterious effect on the health of the mother, that means the mother is having excessive vomiting. So due to excessive vomiting there may be dehydration, there may be weight loss, or there may be fluid electrolyte imbalance. So due to dehydration there may be shock, and because of shock the death may occur. So we have to treat hyperemesis gravidarum. That means if the mother is having excessive vomiting during pregnancy, that should be treated. So what do you mean by hyperemesis gravidarum? It is a severe type of vomiting that is occurring during pregnancy which has got deleterious effect on the health of the mother, or that will affect the daily activity of a mother. What are the effects of severe vomiting? There is a triad for hyperemesis gravidarum. So to whom we will say that the mother is having severe vomiting. So first is if the mother is losing 5% of pre-pregnancy weight loss. If the weight loss has been reduced, because during pregnancy the weight it should be increased, but if it is reduced till more than 5%. Second thing is there is sign of dehydration and there is electrolyte imbalances there. So we will say that the mother is having severe vomiting. And because of severe vomiting, the mother will show metabolic acidosis or metabolic alkalosis. When the mother will show metabolic acidosis due to starvation, because what the mother is thinking, the mother will think, if I will have the food, I will have to vomit, so better to starve. So the female will have metabolic acidosis, and because of vomiting, loss of hydrochloric acid due to vomiting, the mother will have metabolic alkalosis. So this is the definition of hyperemesis gravidarum.